everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a birthday unboxing for you guys. My 30th birthday is at the end of the month and I knew I wanted to make a new purchase on a bag. However, I didn't know what bag I wanted to buy. If you follow me on Instagram at YoufancySteph_, I put up a poll about a week ago asking for a vote on a bag that I wanted to buy. Let me tell you a little backstory about the bag. It's been on my wish list for quite some time, but I've never been able to get it. Just like everything on the Louis Vuitton website, it's always sold out, always out of stock, always call for availability, always item unavailable, of course. So it never came up for me, and I don't live near Louis Vuitton, so I knew that I would either have to stalk the website or call the client services or maybe get in touch with an SA, and so that's what I did. So I have a digital concierge person that I actually go through for some of my bags. I reached out to them via email. I was like, hey, it's my birthday. I'm looking for this specific bag. If you could please help me find it, I would really appreciate it. I look forward to working with you, blah, 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 blah. Sent the email out, never responded back to my email. And I was like, okay. I know that Louis Vuitton is kind of holding back on the canvas items, and I'm a big canvas girl naturally. I love the monogram canvas, always have. She didn't respond back to my email, and I was like, okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go into the store or not. The stores are always packed. If you don't get there early, there might be like a 2-hour wait now, especially with COVID. And the chances of me being able to even purchase the bag that I wanted for my birthday, probably slim to none. So I went ahead and I called client services through the Louis Vuitton website. And usually when I've called them before, sometimes they're like, no, the bag's not available. No, just have to try again. But this time, you know, I called and I was like, hey, I do have a purchase history with Louis Vuitton. I am interested in purchasing this specific bag. Are you able to maybe send me one? Or are you able to tell me when the site is going to restock and I can buy one? The lady was actually really sweet. She asked me the zip code to the area that I live in and what city would be closest to me for me to buy a bag. I told her what stores would be closest to me and she checked the availability. She said that when she checked the store's availability, it did say limited availability in stock. So she said that may mean that they may only have less than one available. And if you know anything about Louis Vuitton, usually client advisors, usually they hold on to one bag or two bags. They claim those bags, and those bags are for their particular customers, you know, their clients. So
am I looking so washed out on camera? Let me adjust the settings. Is that better?
I think that's better. Okay. But anyways, let's just go ahead and unbox it. I'm sure you guys want to see what purse I got. I'm sure you don't want to hear me talk. We'll talk after I open the bag. How about that, okay? I've already opened it. Let's be real. I wasn't going to wait to unbox it on camera. I was like, I need to see this bag immediately. I need to open it as soon as I get it. Like, I don't have time to wait. So that's what I did. Go ahead and unbox it together and share the joy. Oh my God. Ah! Alrighty. So here is the beautiful On The Go tote in the MM size. Guys, I freaking love this bag. Honestly, it's prettier in person. I'll tell you that. Oh, this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys already know that. You guys have probably done your research as well. It's got the monogram on the side as well as on this side. And it's got the different monogram on the back. It's got the red lining with the straps. This is one of the newer bags, so I think it has the chip in it or something like that, the microchip. But you guys, I am so excited about this bag. I follow Handbag Holic. I think it's like handbag_holic on YouTube. And I always watch her videos when she posts new ones. And she posted a video that said that this bag was discontinued, I think from the UK. I think she's from the UK. That this bag was discontinued from the UK website. And when she said that, I think my heart dropped a little bit. I was like, no, this is one of my wish list bags. I need this bag. It hadn't been discontinued from the US yet. So like I was saying before, I called client services. They told me what stores are near to where I live, and I told them. They called and they said that those stores have limited availability, but if there's one available, an SA or a CA, however you want to call them, they would contact me and let me know. So I was like, great, like that's it. I'm not gonna get this bag, you know what I mean? Like I didn't think that I would actually be able to purchase this bag. But SA did reach out to me. She called me and she texted me and she said, hey, were you calling about the Onthego tote? And I was like, yes, absolutely. She's like, we have one here for you. I can, you know, I can ship it out to you tomorrow. And I was like, oh my God, obviously I want it. So I gave her my card information and she went ahead and did the transaction like kind of like in person, but I wasn't really there. And then she shipped it out. It came to me in about like a day and a half from when I called. So I'm really excited about this bag, you guys. I really love this bag. This bag may very well be getting discontinued, so I suggest to not walk, run to go get one. It's so worth it. It's so elegant and it's so classy. I feel like it's the perfect birthday bag. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared to turn 30. I don't know if it hurts, I don't know. It's like saying goodbye to my 20s, you know? So I felt like this bag was just so elegant and so classy. It's got such a mature look to it that I just couldn't pass it up. It's probably gonna be my new everyday bag, at least for a little bit. The craftsmanship on it is beautiful. It is just such a gorgeous bag. It retails for about $27.70 US dollars. After tax, it was like $29.90 or something like that. So like I said, I'm not sure if it's being discontinued. According to the rumors and to some other YouTubers, it is going to be discontinued here in the US. It's already been taken off the UK website. So definitely go ahead and call to get it if you like it. I will be doing like a what's in my bag, what fits in my bag, probably like a couple like how can you wear it outfit type videos and stuff like that if you're interested. If you guys like this video and you guys want to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button. Please like my video. I'm a new YouTuber, so all the engagement that I get definitely helps, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.